gotta stay down, you wanna come on. I got my money right standing up. Love it down, don't put on the stuff. Cruise through the town, double I truck. I'm in the backseat, I'm rolling the stuff. I made one comment, the show pull up. I remember time I went down on my luck, down on my luck, down on my leg. Got on my ass when it got in my.
Yeah, ski. We in the motherfucking, you dig, homie. We in Beverly Hills, back with it again, man. Y'all know how we do this shit. This time we in the vet. My damn trunk broke, so I couldn't even put the top on it, motherfucker. But it feel good outside, though. I ain't gonna lie, after being in my, so much, after being in my 63S so much, I need to get a new exhaust on this motherfucker. No cap. Or I might just get a McLaren. Which one y'all think I should do? Should I trade that bitch in for a McLeasy? Or, I think I'm gonna do the exhaust shit first though, for sure. Oh, gotta turn, gotta go right now. Want to make sure it wasn't no police assist, and I got past that bit quick. No, phone now. BB, motherfucking BB, nigga. Who was you beeping at? Who was you whooping at? It hit different when you whooping. When you whooping in Beverly Hills, bro. It hit different. Do your homework on whooping in Beverly Hills. Gotta beat that light, ski. Bye-bye. That's why you speed even when there's no reason. Because you beat lights. Duh. Y'all ain't know? Y'all tweaking. Y'all out here sleep. Y'all out here sleep. Switch to Roberts when I don't want. We at the other spot. Only dropping on our jewels. This another watch. I get all type of bags in, couple different, huh? I gotta hit some more popping in this vet. Now that I've been in that, so much, I gotta hit some popping in this bitch. I was just saying that last time I was in here though, like I gotta get a new exhaust ASAP, at least a muffler delete on this bitch or something. But this bitch do fade. I miss it. I be missing it though, cause it is fast, boy. You ain't gotta worry about, you ain't wait for no get up, boy. This bitch right through there. Aerodynamic as hell, you hear me? Right through there. Look, we smashed. I ain't even smash it. I just pressed it, bro. That's smashing it right there. Oh now. That motherfucker take you up through there. Yeah, that's we in GTA. I know it looked like GTA. That's because we in GTA. That's the car I just had. That's so cute. I used to be riding around in that little motherfucker. Now I'm in that big Tonka mom. No doubt. No, I think I might go McLaren though. Not the what you call it. Not no 720S. I don't need that. But I'm gonna look into how much that shit costs to upkeep McLaren's versus this. If it costs too much, then I might just get an Audi, because I know I can get Audis fixed easier and better and shit. I imagine they'll be way cheaper, like an R8. It'll be way cheaper. It might be a little more expensive, but it'll be cheaper to upkeep. That's all I am, because I know the cars are gonna devalue, but I'm making money off the cars. You feel me? But it's like they gonna devalue while I'm driving around, so it's like I need to make sure while I'm devaluing it, I ain't gonna have to pay no out the ass price to make sure it keep driving. You feel me? So I can even make the money off the car to pay the car. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, skate. Yeah, skate. We city sliding right now, boy. We city sliding. I ain't gonna lie, I'm hungry than a motherfucker, Jack. I'm hungry as hell, though. No dead ass is, though. I need to take my ass to the motherfucking do something. I don't know what I'm finna eat. I feel like cooking. 2K just dropped, you feel me? I'm groovy, gang. I ain't trying to be doing all that bullshit. All that bullshit ass cooking and shit. I ain't trying to do that shit, man. Motherfucker trying to eat, man. I need a girlfriend. I just need a girlfriend. Oh, shit. Then they yank my own phone out my hand, folks. What the fuck, folks? The power of the yanker. It's the original yanker right here. This my first yanker. I need some more for sure on this motherfucker, though. I need some Snap Crackle Pop. And if I can't get no Snap Crackle Pop, I'm getting a McLaren. So that's just how that's gonna go. I know I can get some Snap Crackle Pop. That motherfucker. You feel me, skate? I just need to figure out, like, you know, the little shit. Like Mario Kart, my fucking heels and shit. You gotta slide, you gotta dodge potholes like banana peels. It really is like Mario Kart on phone now. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna go to Japan talking about Mario Kart. I'm just high as hell talking for real, but this motherfucker take off like an airplane though, no cap. Like the 63S got like more of like a stronger engine type feel. But this got one of them like, yeah, we finna take off right now. We can catch the sun. I'm funny. His ass a motherfucking H&M model. Big head, long nose. Yeah! Eat up, Macko! Eat up, Macko! That shit felt fun, like we was on a roller coaster right there. Shit ain't it? I can feel that Snap Crackle Pop, it just ain't coming out. So I don't know. I don't think a muffler delete gonna do it though, cause when the 63S, like, it was already popping back before I got the muffler delete. You smell me? And before I added the tips and all that shit, so I don't think, goddamn. Who you know hit 100 on the fucking main street, man? Who you know hit 100 on the main street? Macko do, baby, ski. I'm in the club. Whoever you know, I'm in that club with them, me amigo. I don't care. That's why it don't even be fun. I was downshifting earlier, and it's not even fun, bro. It's not even fun because I don't get that pow, pow, pow. I need that pop, folks. That shit sound raw as hell, folks. So I'm finna take this bitch in somewhere, and I'm gonna look at him. I say, listen, I need that pop, 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 pop. So tell me what I need. You feel what I need to do for that pop, 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 pop. Tell me what I need to do for that pop, pop. This is. Do I need to straight pipe it? Do I need a new tip? Do I need a muffler? Do I need everything? Do I need a goddamn stage 2 tune. Tell me what it is, folks. Probably gonna end up doing all that shit anyway. But if the motherfucker tell me, I don't know that much about cars type shit. So if a motherfucker tell me like, yeah, you gonna get way more if you just get them, I'm just gonna get the McLaren then. Cause I need them pops. I don't need no little shit. No little shrimp shit. Nosey Bob. Nosey Bob. I ain't gonna lie, I'm glad I'm going back to the crib though. It's getting hot as hell. This damn drop top, fuck that. Slow driving ass nigga. Get the fuck out the way. This is my street. No, I'm just playing. Damn, it's a truck right there. Show trying to cut his ass off. Let's make it a contest of who can drive slowest. Who has more of nowhere to go. Nothing to do. No time crunch. And I ain't gonna lie. I've noticed people who are rich are not patient at all. Like, you feel me? I always knew that was like a good trait of mine. I'm like, I need my shit now. Like, wherever I'm trying to go, I'm trying to get there now. You feel me? Whatever I want it now. Which is why I had to get rich, bro. And I've been like that my whole life. Because, you know, it was so much like that to the point where I was willing as a kid. I was willing to rob niggas, sell drugs, whatever. As long as I got the money. I need the money now. I want it now. I want to buy it now. I need the money to buy it now. I don't want to wait. You feel me? So, like, I know it took a long time for me to blow up and get money. But, like, every day I'm like, I need it now. I don't need it when I'm 30. I don't need it when I'm 35. I need that shit as soon as fucking humanly possible. Like, as fast as we can get there, I'm trying to get there. As fast as we can get it done, I'm trying to get it done. And when you take that to business, oh, you got a gold mine. But then I noticed, time to go. Police. Y'all see the policia? Muy policia? You see the policia? Do you see the policia right there? I still record, I don't care. I slow down, he know I respect. That's all he care about. Well, no, I've noticed that that regular people are slow. They just walking slow. They just do whatever slow. They drive slow. They just not in a rush for shit. Like, in no hurry. Like, you know? Now, I've noticed that being around people who got more money than me, shit, way richer than me, and they even more impatient than I am. Like, they pay somebody, they on their ass. Like, hey, man. Hey, what the fuck? You feel me? At a cashier, they like, hey man, can you kind of like hurry up a little bit? I'm in a rush. Like, even if they not really in a rush for real, like, you know, they always say like, they want shit fast. Go. Everything gotta go. So yeah, that's some game for y'all ass, man. Do shit fast. Be efficient, but do it fast as possible, man. That should be your goal, to be able to be just as efficient but faster, you know? Because speed is efficiency, you know? Speed, how fast and good you do something. If I do something good and you do something just as good, faster, you're more efficient. cannot wait behind this slow ass fucking van if I drive 2 miles an hour. It's not gonna do it. Woohoo! Y'all seen that cross right there? That was a hell of a cross. Yee! Man, in the mirror, you way out of order. Why you driving so fast? Skirting this car? Y'all know I gotta get another car for my I have to get another car for me and my son to drive around in because because he can't drive. He can't. Damn sure ain't riding in here. And my my Benz, I might do it if I might just keep that, but I might have to just wrap that bitch a different color. Like I might have to take that wrap off when he get here. That might be what I do. You feel me? Just take the wrap off when he get here because it's too distinctful. Motherfuckers know who it is. Like, you know, so I might just go all black or like a matte gray or like just like a regular color, even like a red or some shit, just so motherfucker don't know exactly, like, you feel me? Just so motherfuckers don't know. And I can ride around in comfort, like, you feel me? And it's still regular, so motherfucker don't hear and loud ass pops and shit.